Wilton Hunt over here. And if you're doing Google Ads these days, Google Ads is a perfect tool to reach those who are looking for you already, looking for your services, because you're targeting those who are problemware. They go on Google and they type in a search term. So they have intention of looking for you. But on top of that is you can actually put in demographics targeting on top of these search campaigns. So if you've been doing Google Ads for a while and you've been attracting quite a bit of price shoppers, then you can actually exclude those by income, for example. So let me share with you the strategy. This is what we've been playing with lately. So once you log into your campaign, you go to demographics. Within there, you can look at your existing campaign. How are they finding you? 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, 65 and plus. So for your service, let's say you don't want to be attracting those a little younger, then you can exclude these age group. And you can, if you're supposed to target in gender and parental status, household income, this is probably a big one over here, is if your services, you do not want to be attracting those who are a little bit more sensitive to pricing, then you might want to exclude the lower 50%. That means more of your ad budget goes towards, because we all have finite ad budget, right? That money will now be dispersed amongst those who can truly afford your services. So my suggestion for you is to, if you're doing Google Ad campaign right now, log in there, look at your distribution of household income and age. Me personally, I would exclude 18 to 24 and 25 to 34, and also exclude the lower 50%. Especially if you're a remodeler, you target more the high-end services. If you do like a little more higher-end replacement windows, it makes sense to exclude those that are a little younger. Most likely it's their first house, so it's they're not going to be spending a lot on replacing windows. Same thing if you're a funeral home, right? Kind of makes sense to be excluding the younger folks and mainly the lower 50%. If most of your services still rely on a some form of a service, memorial service. Okay, so that's really, I think this will be a big deal. You can now actually leverage your existing budget and really target those who can truly afford your services.